Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to remove or how to disable restricted mode in TikTok. So the step are so simple to follow. So after you open up your phone, all you have to do now, go and open your TikTok app and tap on this profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side, this menu. Now go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down and go to this content preferences, this one. So as you can see now tap on this section restricted mode. So as you can see now, here it says restricted mode on. So now all you have to do now, in order to remove or in order to disable the restricted mode in TikTok, all you have to do now, tap on this turn off button. So now it will ask you to confirm your password that you set. Tap on this next button. So that's it guys on how to disable or how to remove restricted mode on TikTok or in TikTok app. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.